Coming to the Lauterstein Conway Massage School, A Cancer's Journey with Amy Scottino.
Finally going to have an opportunity to talk to Amy about her experience with oncology massage, why oncology massage is important, and why Amy is so passionate about training new therapists in the world of oncology massage. I'm so happy that we're here today and doing this. And Amy, I think I want to start off with what's oncology massage?
Oncology massage, defined by them, is the modification of massage therapy to safely work with the effects of cancer and cancer treatments. So these individuals are currently experiencing cancer treatments or have recently, in the past, received cancer treatments. And so it's the understanding of how to adjust massage session for that aspect.
Why do we need special training?
For both. So oncology massage training, I feel, is crucial because if somebody is in cancer treatments or 15 years out, there's a lot of knowledge that goes into that massage session, a lot of accommodations and a lot of modifications that will happen sometimes for the life of that client. So it's really crucial to be educated on all the precautions and long-term side effects of some cancer treatments.
For more information and registration for this remarkable class, please go to tlcmassageschool.com or click the link in this post.